Late on the night of December 7th, 2023, San Diego police were looking for a man. A stolen car, a domestic violence case, an unserved restraining order, and a warning. He was armed. Officers found the car in a grocery store parking lot in 4S Ranch.
San Diego Police, this is Evelyn.
Yeah, I need to report my car stolen.
Okay, what's the address the car was taken from?
Palace Green, Callus,
I'm sorry, the phone's a little muffled. You said say the name of the street for me one more time?
Palace Glen, Callus, Glen.
Dallas Glen. Okay. When was it taken from? I'm sorry, when was it taken?
It was taken about 3 days ago, and the officers that came were supposed to put it in the system as a suspicious vehicle. They said if he didn't bring it back by Thursday, they report it stolen because he didn't have permission to take the vehicle. But we just see my vehicle not too long ago, and I know where it's at.
Okay.
And he has a gun on him, so I can't just go get the vehicle probably without getting shot.
Hey, Curtis. Hey, back up, back up, back up, back up! He's still got a gun in his hand.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun from your head!
Hey, come here. Come here, hey, we gotta still do something, buddy. We got sir, hey. Stop. Still got the gun in his hand. Hey, back up, back up, back up, back up! He's still got a gun in his hand. Gun is in his hand. Gun is in his left hand. Stop!
Shots fired!
Still got the gun in his hand. Hey, back up, back up, back up, back up! He's still got a gun in his hand.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun from your head!
Where's Sarge?
Everybody okay?
Where's Sarge? Hey, watch him, watch him, watch him. Sarge!
3 officers returned fire. Curtis Harris was struck multiple times and died at the hospital. His loaded .40 caliber handgun was still in his hand when he hit the ground. Sergeant Elliott had been shot in the head at point-blank range. He was conscious the entire time. On the way to the hospital, he asked paramedics to check for an exit wound. "I knew if it went in one end and came out the other," he later said, "I probably wasn't going to make it." It hadn't. He survived brain surgery. He relearned how to walk. Toxicology later showed Harris had multiple drugs in his system. Investigators ultimately found the officers' actions were legally justified. The 3 officers who stayed with Elliott all had less than 2 years on the job. He was 5 feet away from a man with a gun. He made it home.